In this video, I'm going to learn you how you can download Epic Launcher on Windows 11. You are currently watching on Tec Learning. I'm a game developer and software engineer in software engineering. First of all, you need to log in on Epic Online Service or Epic account. You need to just create an account, then just download the Epic Launcher from Epic website. I will give you the link in the description link below. Once you download, you find like this. So now you need to change the location where you want to save. You can by default install the software in CDs, or in my case, I'm downloading that in my other sticks. Once you download, you need to press yes. And make sure it will be download a Epic Online Service software also, because that is important for Epic Launcher and Unreal Engine, because in the future if you are going to create multiplayer game, it's need. So you also need to download the Epic Online Service. You not need to do manually. The Epic automatically give you the installation. Just you need to press yes, and then it will be download some files. So once the files download, it will be take some time to open, but it will be open. If it's coming like a blank, you can use the VPN for get a connection, and then just sync up with your or log in with your Epic ID. And once you just log in, you find that the Epic Launcher is now 100% working, and congratulations guys, you are successfully installed the Epic Launcher on Windows 11 without any issue or error. So some of cases maybe it can become blank, so you don't need to worry about. Just download any of VPN and just connect it, open, and just log in with your ID, and it will work. And thank you so much for watching, and you can also visit my others like website like Telegram and my website, so link in the description below, you can visit. Thank you so much.